Yo, what is happening, guys? So welcome to this video. In this particular video, I'm going to be giving you we're going to go over 7 different YouTube channels, and I'm going to explain what sort of RPM that these channels do get for their particular videos in the current niche that they made the videos in. So let's just go ahead and dive into the first one right now. And as you can see, I have this video here: how to AFK on Roblox for over 20 minutes without getting kicked. Okay, this is Roblox. This is a gaming video, so the RPM is a little bit on the lower side, but you can see that this was able to get a good amount of views, 254k views, and 1.7k likes. So the Roblox RPM is about $1.50 per 1,000 views. So if we take just this video right here, and when you're doing your search-based channel, you can do any sort of niche that you want. You can mix and match them, or you can niche down into one particular area. So 254,000 views, divide that by 1,000. Okay, and then you get $1, multiply that by $1.50, and this one video made him $381 US, which is not too bad. So we can go ahead and look at the actual channel. Looks like it's a Roblox channel, but we can double check. So
guys, I was literally playing Roblox the other day and someone joined.
You can see he's getting 681,000 views every single month. So I'll just do this quick: 681 multiplied by $1.50. So he's making around $1,000 every single month with his channel, which is good. Let's just take a look at the videos, and you can see it's all about Roblox. You can see it's a Roblox channel. So $1,000 a month is a pretty good result, but he needs to get some more views to get that to 2,000, 3,000, and so on. So that's the Roblox niche. Let's go ahead and look at the next one, which is a typical how-to video in the apps niche. Okay, how to delete a Instagram account. I'm sure you're all familiar with these types of videos. These have a $2 RPM. Okay, $2 for every 1,000 views. And this got 588,000 views. So 588, multiply that by the $2 RPM. This one video made him $1,176, which is really, really good. We can go ahead and look at the channel itself, how many views that they're getting. I know this channel gets a lot of views. Okay, so let's just see, 17.5 million views. So 17 let's just say 17 million. Okay, divide that by 1,000. Okay, multiply by 2. This channel's making over $34,000 every single month, which is really good. So that's the app niche, the most common niche. Let's move on to the next one, which is the making money online niche. Okay, this video is how I made $1,102 selling digital products on ClickBank. Okay, so the making money online, general making money online videos is between $8 to $10 RPM. If you do some more niche specific topics like affiliate marketing, then you can boost that to $13 for every 1,000 views. But let's just say it is like $9 or $10 per 1,000 views. So this video just got uploaded 3 hours ago, 184 views. So with a $10 RPM, we can take a look at how much income this particular channel does make. And you can do this completely faceless if you want. You don't need to show yourself on camera. Okay, so I'll just pause that video. And right here we can see 7.58k. Okay, so not the most amount of views. Let's just say 8k. 8,000 divided by 1,000. That's 8 times 10, let's just say. So he's making $80 per month with his channel. Okay, so this is kind of like a hard niche to get into. There's a lot of competition with making money online, but if you have an established channel, or you're getting somewhere with your channel and you're getting a lot of authority, maybe you could tap into some make money online topics. Because if we go to the video section, Okay, I believe he has took some videos off, but if we go to, for an example, popular, you can see 2 years ago he was doing really well, 699,000 for one specific video. So one video with 699,000 views times 10 made him $7,000. This one here, 592 times 10, okay, that made him $6,000. So you can see $11,000 just with 2 videos. So this can be quite profitable if you do it right. Okay, the next niche on the list is the Shopify niche or dropshipping niche. You don't have to do Shopify. There are many different tools that help you out with dropshipping. So Shopify is just one, and it has a really nice RPM. It's about a $40 RPM, anywhere from $40 to $45 RPM. And if you specifically do Shopify tutorials and you get your channel to, let's say, 400,000 views a month, which isn't the most amount of views for search based, but 400, and then you multiply that by, let's say, 40, then you're making $16,000 per month with your channel. Obviously that's going to take a couple of years or so, but eventually you could get incomes like that with super high RPMs like the Shopify niche. So this one got 67k, this video, 67,000 times by 40 for an example. This one video almost made $3,000. So you can see the power of doing high RPM topics like Shopify or dropshipping, which is really good. Let's go ahead and look at their channel to see what sort of tutorials they're doing. This is one of the channels that does well with search-based YouTube, doing all sorts of different types of topics. But this one particular video 2 years ago did really well. So you can see another video on their channel. This one, how to connect Shopify to Facebook, did let's just say 32,000 views. Okay, 32,000 views times 40, that made 1280, which is really good. And this channel focuses on high RPM only, I believe. So 541,000, let's just say on average they have a $20 RPM multiplied by 20, that's $10,800 that they're making every single month. So if you stick to this long enough and do high RPM only, you can get some pretty good results. And these are, some of them are 8. You can see that's an 8-minute video, so you will need to put a little bit more effort than the typical how-tos. But they've just uploaded 8 videos this month, but they do have a back catalog of 2,160 videos. Okay, so high RPM really does pay off in the long term. Then the next one I have for you is project management tools like monday.com. This will have a RPM of, let's just say, $25 to $30 RPM. So this video got 33 views almost, but monday.com is $25 to $30 RPM. So if you have a couple of videos that end up getting 100,000 views in the monday.com niche, multiply that, let's just say, by 25, then you make $2,500 for those videos that you covered about monday.com. Also high RPM niche, which is really good. So let's move on to the next one, which is Doodly, and this will have an RPM of about $15. Not Doodly, but whiteboard animation. Any sort of whiteboard animation tool will give you a $15 RPM. Okay, so this video, this is the official channel, 48,000 views. And the competition for these isn't so much, so this is kind of untapped. 48,000, multiply that by I think it'll be 15 or 20, so let's just say 15, $720 for one specific video that got 48,000 views, which is really good. If you want to get more video ideas about this, just go to the search bar and type whiteboard animation, and you'll get all the relevant software that you can cover about whiteboard animation. You can use Google as well. And then this one right here is the reaction niche, where you take popular topics and you add your own commentary to that. This channel, JRE Replay, Okay, on this video got 2.4k, and this is like a $5 to $10 RPM. Let's just say $8 RPM. So if we go to his main channel right here, I believe he's getting 1 million views every single month. I checked it out on Social Blade, so that means $8,000 per month for his YouTube channel. So the niches we covered today was this Roblox. Okay, you can do Roblox. You can do the typical search-based how-to videos like these. You can do making money online. You can do high RPM search-based topics like project management, Shopify and stuff. You can do project management niche. You can do whiteboard animation and the reaction commentary niche. So I hope that video did help you out today. If it did, drop a like on the video. That's really appreciated. Comment your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video.